Watch that beam, easy now. Pressure's dropping, check the hose. Get the edges, it's pitted deep. Weld bead looks good, move left.
Fans in the doorway. Keep air moving.
That one's too big. Find a flatter face.
Get the glue residue. Sander next.
Dock spec is 180. Check it.
Tagline, steady, steady. Keep the gun moving, don't char the wood.
Pressure rinse after, watch the drains.
Cut at the base, pull roots later. Match the original line, not too fat.
Check the level low spot here.
That gap needs backer rod.
Pressure test before we close the walls.
Keep it textured, match the old.
Don't etch it, just strip.
Seam sealant here, don't forget. Let that set before second coat.
Pull wire tomorrow. Label everything. Keep the joint depth consistent.
Check the beam pocket, shim it level.
Squeegee that puddle toward the drain.
Color match is good, let it cure overnight.
Stagger the seams, screw every 6 inches.
That brick is too far gone. Use the salvage pile.
Feather those edges, no ridges.
Two coats, second one opposite direction.
Wipe the excess with a whiting rag. Match the existing profile exactly.
Slope it away from the building, check the laser.
Back brush into the scroll work. Keep a wet edge, no lap marks.
Hot on left, check for leaks.
Cut in the corners first, then roll.
Final pass with the white pad.
Perlite mixed in, drainage layer first.
Level the header, shim it plumb.
Two thin coats. Don't bridge the weep holes. Crosshatch for texture, not too uniform.
Test the flow before sealing the back panel.
Check the pattern against the original photo.
Zone 1 covers the ferns. Check overlap.
Don't let it puddle, thin coat.
The scroll orientation matches the old photo.
Switch on, test each circuit.
That philodendron needs a moss pole over there.
Wipe off excess oil. Matte finish. Rotate the best side toward the solarium. Keep the moss moist for 2 weeks. Even hemline. Steam the wrinkles later. Panel 3 is upside down. Flip it.
Aim that one at the tree trunk. Warm beam.
That pot's weeping, check the drainage.
Center it on the bench. Adjust left 2 inches.
Attentively detail the fin grooves with the brush.
Transformed from the forgotten, this is the Botanical Healing Conservatory.
Open the center for light. Keep the natural form.
That one needs to turn. Better silhouette against the moss wall.
No streaks. Final polish with dry cloth.
Second coat tomorrow. Let it soak in. "36 inches from bench seat. Check.
The solarium mist nourishes the air, blurring the lines between the curated and the wild.